So today we start with the global market news update. S&P 500 Nasdaq climbed over 1% after global market rout. Investor sentiments were lifted by dovish comments from the Federal Reserve policymaker. They pushed back against the notion that weaker than expected July jobs data means the US economy is slipping into recession. Indexes end with strong gains rebounding from global market sell-off. Asia stock find some footing. Nike still choppy. Gold eases as dollar yield firm. Fed rate cuts hope lend support. Oil prices climb more than $1 on fear of spreading Middle East conflict. Japan's Nike sees best day since October 2008, blocks record jump in points. Now coming to the Indian market, who Nifty closed around negative 63 point, that is around 0.86%. And today's support level would be around 23,849 followed by 23,643, and the resistance level would be around 24,556 followed by 24,762. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty closed around 343 point negative yesterday, that is around 0.69%, and today's support level would be around 49,157 followed by 48,596, and today's resistance level would be yesterday's high, that is around 5653 followed by 51,214. As far as mid cap is concerned, mid cap closed around negative 341 point, that is around 0.61%, and today's support level would be around 54,738 followed by 54,012, and the resistance would be around 57,308 followed by 57,867. As far as small cap is concerned, small cap closed around negative 70 point, that is around 0.39%, and today's support level would be around 17,522 followed by 17,200, and the resistance level would be around 18,585 followed by 18,795. Coming to the sectoral update, we can see good buying opportunity in healthcare, FMCG, agriculture, chemical, textile sector, and top deliveries are in textile sector, photographic product sector, abrasive, and gas and transmission sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation. We continue to hold with the Tata Group stock basket with the expected return of 8%. Now the performance review. Large cap performed negative 0.15%. Auto sector performed negative 2.55%. Private bank basket performed around negative 5.62%. FMCG performed around 2.83% positive. Pharma performed around 2.58% positive, and Tata Group performed around negative 4.50%. We continue to hold all of these baskets for next 2 to 3 months.